and this is Betty. We're in Chelsea and we're at the High Line, and we just went to the Chelsea Market where I got this really nice bag, and it was really fun. There was a bunch of food places and a bunch of shops that you could go to, and after this we're gonna walk on the High Line. We're gonna head over to Dylan's Candy Bar, which is a really nice candy bar, and it just has a bunch of candy and sweets and all this fun stuff, and we don't really have much planned yet, but this is what we're doing right now. So end of the day now, and right now we're in Central Park, and we just had a picnic and it was really nice. We went to Melt Shop to get a nice grilled cheese sandwich, and then my dad went to this Indian place and got some nice curry, I think it's called. I'm not sure, but yeah. Today we went to the High Line, which you probably saw in the last clip, and it was very awesome. It was, if you love walking, you can walk the whole way, but it was really fun. And we ended up going to Dylan's Candy Bar, which is a nice candy bar. It has candy and all this sorts of stuff. I explained it earlier. And on the High Line, they had these ice cream sandwich cart that they were only $5, and it was really yummy. So help me. I forgot what I was gonna say, but today was really fun, and yeah, see you tomorrow. Okay, so one more thing is that there was this bunny, and it was super duper cute. It was over there, it just left, but this is what it looked like. And it was super adorable, and it was just a really awesome thing to see in Central Park, because you don't really expect to see a bunny in Central Park on a leash just sitting there, and it was really adorable and it was really awesome. So yeah, today was our last full day, and yeah, see you tomorrow.